Hey, what's up, traders? When Monday, July 31st, 9:09 a.m., and here are your morning ideas. Okay, guys. So here's the week of news. We have non-farm payrolls on Friday, which will be pretty important, as always. Some unemployment claims on Thursday. A lot of this stuff is tied to what the Fed was saying last week about the interest rates. They're still very hawkish about the interest rates, and I think that they will continue to be until they get to this 2% uh, number that Powell has been talking about. But even though they're hawkish, the market still has not shown really any signs of distress. We pulled back, but we've pushed right back up to 46. You can see 46.15. We're trading here on the 4 hour. If you look at the biggest picture where we're looking at this is the daily, we're still on our way up to this 4,700 that we talked about all last week, where since we've pushed into this fat area of volume, usually what you see is a bunch of turbulence in here, and then we end up on the other side of the value, if we call it the value. So on the way up to 4,700, and you'll get 50-point pullbacks. You could get a 100-point pullback today, and just to see the market take it all back, later in the week and head to 4,700. The one thing that I like to point out on a day like today, if you notice, today is July 31st. It's the last trading day of the month. I always look back on the last couple trading days of the month. And where did the month start? So we started the month of July down here. Okay, you can see here, I think July 1st, maybe we were trading 4,500. We're trading 46.15. So generally, the market likes to hold on to the gains at the end of the month if the month has been a positive month. So we get what you've heard me refer to as window dressing. So you'll see this window dressing take place most likely in the second half of the day today, where the market will, and not always, but more times than not, artificial, like, push up and hold on to the monthly gains that we've had for the month so far. So something to keep an eye on. I always try to point that out on the last trading day of the month, or the last two trading days of the month, that if you see some weakness, I like to try to find opportunities to buy that weakness on the last trading day of the month if the month has been up. Now, if in this situation the market opened the month up here and we're trading down here, it doesn't hold as much weight. But when we are in a positive month environment, usually, like, the market likes to hold on to that. Okay, overnight we haven't done a whole lot. I see that it's really just like a balance inside of Friday's trade, really, where we took back most of the negativity that we had on Thursday after FOMC. Here's FOMC, and then on Thursday we moved down. Friday we kind of trended up all day. I shouldn't say we trended up, but we broke the overnight high, and we would just kind of traded sideways. Same kind of environment overnight, where we're just kind of back and forth. That 4,700 level is way up here, and I don't expect us to run right up there, right? Because we're in that environment where we are in a pretty thickly traded area from before. The market liked this area a lot. I expect it to continue to like that area and just kind of trade aimlessly in here until we push to 4,700. Okay, today is the last day of the contest, so make sure that at the end of the trading day today we will announce the winners. There's 5 winners, the grand prize being a $5,000 cash prize. So make sure that you're finishing the day strong here. And we have posted a leaderboard on our social media, and you'll be able to see the top 5, and you could kind of reverse engineer where you are, so you could bump up there today. So but today is the last day. It will close at 5, and we'll be making the announcements on who wins most likely tomorrow. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Keep your eye out for that, and also keep your eye out for some new stuff coming this week. We'll talk to you guys soon.